Welcome to the beautiful planet of aquascaping.
Welcome to the planet of aquascaping. Today's video is not exactly about aquascaping. It's about my two Flaron beds. It's about unboxing and setting up tanks for them. So basically, I bought this Flaron from Bangalore Peta, which is a famous store in Bangalore. If you want, I'll put the address in description. Guys, go check out the store. It's in BTM Layout, Second State. I will mention the address in the description. You will get varieties of betas, varieties of flarons, and even parrotfishes. You'll get guppy fishes also. It's a very good store, and you get fishes at affordable prices. Guys, this is basically my setup for two of my flaron pets. I have two tanks here, one in the bottom and one on the top. So basically, this is set up in a single stand. So guys, I'll tell you all the basic steps that you must follow while setting up a Flaron tank. I will not add any of the decorations or sand or gravel inside my tank because Flarons does not like gravel or sand or pebbles to put at the bottom. So while setting up a Flaron tank, you should keep the bottom empty so that the fish feels comfortable and it is not stressed out. So let us start by filling up the water and setting up the heater so that the water gets warmer. That is, the Flarons exactly need about 28 degrees Celsius. They are chicklets. Chicklets need warmer water to survive. So let us fill up the tank with water and let us install the heaters. So guys, I'll fill both of my tanks and I'll get back to you guys in a moment. Guys, all chicklets need warmer water to survive. So they basically need 27.5 to 28.5 degrees Celsius so that our tank is warmer and our Flaron chicklets are not stressed out. This is a heater from RS Electrical. Okay, this heater is preset at 28 degrees. So if you have a chicklet or if you are planning to set up a chicklet tank, heater is a must. So let us set up the heater. So guys, let's install this submersible lamp. Since this lamp is from RS Electrical, so this lamp you'll get it for 100 to 150 rupees. The filter which I am using is RS Electrical RS128F. So this is the internal filter. Since my Flarons are small, internal filters are okay. So once they grow up, they feel stressed out for this internal filters. As my space is small, since my Flarons are smaller, so I can use this internal filters. If you have bigger Flarons, so this is the best filter. So internal filter, the difference is they just pop out oxygen so that your flower horn doesn't feel stressed out. Let's install this internal filter. So guys, I've set up the bottom tanks same as the up one. I didn't use submersible light here. I've used hang on back light, and this is a hang on back filter. This is not an internal filter, this is external filter. So this is my first little Flaron. It's a Briganza variety. So the difference between SID and Briganza is in the Briganza variety the whole head will be of red color. So let's add this. this is the second small one, and this is a regular SRD. Let's have this. So guys, these are basically very good varieties of flowers. As you can see, this small, and they're almost 2 to 3 months, and they've got head on their body. See, and you can see this flower on also. This is a regular SRD one, and this is a regular SRD one, and this is a Briganza variety. So if you want this flower horns, you can get it in Bangalore Beta stores. They basically sell betas, flower horns, and guppies. So I'll put the address in the description. So guys, if you liked my video, please like and subscribe. So turn on the post notifications so that you get latest updates of my video whenever my video is released. So guys, I'll fill both of my tanks and I'll get back to you guys.